everyone, my name is Lauren Gaw, and this is another episode of Life Above the Clouds. I cannot believe that Thanksgiving is right around the corner. I actually love Thanksgiving because I love getting together with my friends and family and eating turkey and stuffing and pie and everything. I mean, it's a holiday that revolves around eating. How can you not love that? One of my favorite Thanksgiving side dishes is cornbread. I actually love cornbread any time of year. Maybe that's because I'm from the South and it goes great with barbecue. But anyway, I don't know about you, but I love my cornbread on the sweet side because if you hadn't noticed yet, I have a huge sweet tooth. This cornbread has the perfect amount of sweetness, but when you add this cannabis cinnamon honey butter, oh my God, game over. You will want to put this honey butter on literally everything. It is just that good. I am in love with it. Today we're putting cannabis in the cornbread and in the honey butter. We're only putting half a tablespoon in the honey butter because, trust me, you're gonna wanna eat a lot of it. And we never want to overdo it. I already know the strength of my cannabis butter that I'm cooking with, so that's how I based my dosages. Always remember that every single batch of cannabis butter is going to be different. So when you're cooking with cannabis at home, always try a little bit first and then wait 2 hours to see if you feel any effects before eating anymore. So let's start making our cornbread. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line your muffin tin with paper liners. You can also spray your tin with nonstick spray or butter it, but I like using the liners because it makes it so much easier to clean up afterwards. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cornmeal, flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt, and whisk together until it's well combined and there are no more lumps. In a separate bowl, whisk together your milk, eggs, butters, and honey. Then add your wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix together until just combined. Then fill your muffin liners to about 2/3 full and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes or until they're golden brown on the top. Now, while those are in the oven, let's whip up some cannabis cinnamon honey butter. Using your electric mixer, combine your regular butter, cannabis butter, honey, cinnamon, and vanilla, and beat together until it is fluffy and smooth. This can take up to 5 minutes. Store it in an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator until it's ready to use. So here is our finished cornbread. These cornbread muffins are great on their own, or you can also use it in your favorite stuffing or dressing recipe. So before we try this, we have to use a nice slathering of our honey butter. I am smearing just a nice, generous serving of our cinnamon honey butter on top. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like cinnamon, it smells like honey. Oh, I love it. Let's try it. Oh my God, you guys. This is so good. This is as good as dessert. I'm not even kidding. The cornbread is just a little bit sweet, but that butter on top, oh, it's just to die for. Like, what else can I put this on? I hope you liked this episode of Life Above the Clouds. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get a new cannabis recipe every Friday morning. And if you liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. Thanks again for watching. Bye, guys. Did you just hear my dog burp? Oh my God.